So what's going on here? Well, technically, we could be doing this. We could just import Prisma Client every time we need it. The problem is we would also have to do new Prisma Client every time. So, okay, why didn't I just do this, and we don't need this, and we don't need this, and this way I would simply use this single done instance? Well, that's because that wouldn't happen because of Hot Reload. What's Hot Reload? Whenever your app is running, so if I do mem run dev, what's watching the changes? Let me just refresh localhost 3000 first. Basically, Hot Reload is watching for changes, right? So if I go inside of my app, page.tsx, click me too, you can see that it immediately updates, right? So it immediately compiled. So that's exactly what's happening. And the problem is when Hot Reload happens, it will create new instances of Prisma Client multiple times. And you will start to get warnings in your terminal about that. It will basically tell you multiple Prisma instances detected.